Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we have got a brand new to the channel, brand new to me. This is my first time getting this box. It is the Lookfantastic box. It is $15 a month, and if you buy, if you pay in advance, like 6 months or a year, the number drops. So I think that this is actually only $11.70. It's from the UK. It didn't take that long to get here. I think I ordered this a week ago. So yeah, and it feels really heavy. But I'm not sure what we're supposed to get. I'm not sure what the value is going to be. And I'm not sure if there's going to be anything inside to tell us the prices. But I do like treating myself because I'm worth it, right, Jason?
Absolutely.
Absolutely. So let's dig in. Jason, we really need to find our tripod so we can use the real camera for this.
I think we just need to buy one. I have no idea where that one went.
All right, let's get back to the opening.
Is this on now?
Yes.
Oh.
All right, I'm gonna try.
Oh, that's kind of a cool box.
What's going on? Oh, there's a box. There's another box.
What's in the box? What's in the box? In the box.
Oh my gosh, you're a bit much sometimes. Okay, so it came in a box, in another box, in this box, but isn't that a pretty box?
I like the. Is it turquoise?
It's turquoise, yes. Okay, so here is the January Lookfantastic
I like the box.
Beauty Box. It is a very pretty box, isn't it? It's got a little bee there. It's a little embossed.
What's the B stand for?
I'm gonna guess beauty.
Okay.
Okay. Don't look.
A lot of literature in there.
This is what the box looks like.
Looks like a copy of Elle magazine.
Smells like pencil crayons.
I think there's a miniature copy of Elle magazine in there.
I mean, there might be. I haven't looked. Oh, it's a new design, so we got it just in time. And so this probably has everything that we're gonna get, so I won't look at that yet. And then it does have a wee little baby copy of Elle magazine.
It's kind of fun.
This is a magazine for ants. But that's nice.
It's got Beyonce on it. Really?
I don't like Beyonce.
Beyonce's got a lot of fans, Megan. Don't poop on Beyonce.
I don't like Beyonce. Right, it's very yellow, eh? Very yellow.
It was turquoise and now it's yellow.
Yeah, it's very pretty. Very nicely packaged. Glossy box is also very nicely packaged. Like with the tissue paper. I'm not looking. So that's what's in the box. Can you see it?
Yeah, there's a...
Don't tell me.
Okay.
So that, the weight probably, a lot of it came from this magazine. But let's open it up and see. Right, we have a tube of some sort. So this is a Joe Hansford London Everyday Shampoo. Anti-fade formula, and it contains Heliovita, which is in a color care complex.
So if you color your hair, you use that shampoo and it helps like hold the color in your hair.
It smells nice.
Is that right?
Yeah. It smells kind of like Satsuma. Like a tiny little bit from the body shop.
You're right. Yeah. Yeah, orange.
Like orangey.
Rings or whatever going on there. I like that. I'm going to use that.
So we got this little shampoo.
I'm going to use that on my beard and my head.
Oh, and your head. That's where you're supposed to use shampoo. Okay, next up we're feeling something similar. Is it the conditioner? Oh, I'm a genius.
Does it have the same scent?
So this is the conditioner, and it does have the same scent.
I like that though. I mean, it's nothing wrong with that.
I mean, it's
we're going to use that.
Bigger
for sure.
than what you get at a hotel. Like, there's probably 3 uses in there.
Yeah.
Which isn't bad.
For you, for me, probably a few more.
Yeah, I got a lot of hair.
You got a lot of hair.
Got something squishy. Ooh, a reusable makeup remover pad. Reusable makeup remover pads, 3-pack. The most soothing makeup removal routine under the moon. Save up to 150 cotton pads. That's good, because remember yesterday I said I'd run out of
150 cotton pads in one 3-pack? Is that what they're saying?
No, like it.
Or per sponge thing?
It doesn't say.
Oh.
So you moisten it and use your favorite makeup remover. Press the moon pad to your skin and gently remove makeup.
I want to see what they look like.
Put the moon pad in a laundry bag and wash in the... Oh, you can machine wash it. Once it's dry, it can be reused.
Let's see what it looks like.
Yes, I'm trying to open it.
You want the knife?
Nope. I mean...
Is this the bag that it comes in? The bag that you put it in the laundry with?
No,
no?
it's a plastic bag. Okay, it's purple.
Oh, it's only one then?
There's 3 in here.
Oh, 3. Okay.
Yeah, that's why it said 3. Very soft. Feel how soft that is.
That's like something
That's
soft.
true. It's very soft, eh?
It's like something soft. That feels soft, like something soft.
We're good with words. Remove your day's makeup in just a minute. Well, that's perfect because, you know, I don't want to spend
Ain't
a lot of
nobody
time.
got time taking makeup off.
No.
No.
Wait, what else you got? A Mio Fit Skin for Life Shrink to Fit Cellulite Smoother. Smooth, moisturize, and firm. High intensity body
Like for
care.
your backs of your thighs and stuff?
Yeah.
Like, not yours specifically. But
Well, no, I don't have a lot of cellulite.
Yeah. Mine, maybe. I wonder if
massage a small amount on your stubborn cellulite once a day for 30 days, rubbing product in vigorously.
Do you think like a cream actually works for that though? I mean, it seems kind
we
of
will find out.
quite a bold claim.
So that is that. I'm not very excited about it. Okay, now I got a pencil. Oh, is it? Oh, it's Lord and Berry. Nice.
Is that a famous name?
It's a good brand, yes.
Oh. Let's see the tip. It's fairly big.
I'm not even sure what kind it is. Oh, it's lip color. It's in the shade number 3102, Just Naked. And it's made to measure. Let's do a little swatch. Oh, it's very brown. It's very brown. It might be a nice liner for the lip color I'm wearing, actually. So that's what smelled like pencil crayons. Okay, it looks like we have 2 things left. Whatever this is. So this is a moisturizing serum. Fragrance-free. E-Cooking Moisture Boost.
Where do you use it?
Just one moment, please. I have to refer to the pamphlet after to figure out what this is, because it says it's a moisturizing serum. It's fragrance free, but then it says E-Cooking. I'm not sure why.
You're not supposed to eat that, are you?
I don't think so. But
put some on your hands, see what it is.
Okay, Jason. Ooh, that was probably like $25.
I want to eat that.
It is fragrance free. Very serumy.
It's kind of like a...
Very wet. And a little bit goes a long way, my goodness. Okay, hopefully that's not really expensive because I just wasted quite a lot of it.
What, 2 squirts? Not even that?
Yeah, but there's probably not that many squirts in here. Right, last thing, I think, is Spot Stick Soothing and Effective Tea Tree Oil. Oh, I don't like the smell of tea tree oil, but it's supposed to be really good for you.
What are you supposed to do with it?
It is a spot... Oh.
What?
It's Melaleuca. Spot Stick with tea tree oil has a cooling and antibacterial effect that inhibits itching. Prevents blemishes.
Oh, like for bug bites? Oh.
Prevents blemishes while also nourishing the skin. Spot Stick contains witch hazel, which prevents skin from drying out and tightens pores. I'm always looking for good pore tighteners. Can be used for blemishes, insect bites, scratches, and other minor skin irritations. You apply directly to the problem area, use as needed, and can be used over makeup. So that is what it looks like. It's
so if you just finish putting all your makeup on and then a mosquito bites your cheek,
yeah,
you can just put that on.
Yeah. I wonder if it's going to be a rollerball.
It is.
Oh, there's that smell.
It's probably the witch hazel.
No, it's probably the tea tree oil. Remember when I used to get Melaleuca? That's what everything smelled like.
Oh. Well, it's good stuff, isn't it? I don't know.
It's good stuff. It's expensive. Alright, so that was the January Lookfantastic box. Let's look in this pamphlet, see if it tells us what everything is valued at. Alright, what do we got? So the first thing is E-Cooking. So that's the name of the brand, is E-Cooking. Moisturizing serum. Replenish lost moisture and hydrate your skin with the weightless, non-greasy moisturizing serum from E-Cooking. That's a weird company name. Full of hyaluronic acid to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Vegan and free from parabens and fragrances. Worth $21.50, and this is in pounds.
Pounds?
This is in pounds.
Want to do the conversion after?
I mean, pounds are probably twice, like, worth
a little bit more than twice.
More than 2 times our dollar.
Yeah.
So we'll just double everything. Double everything for Canadian. Okay, next up is the Lord & Berry Ultimate Lip Liner in the shade Nude. It's with macadamia oil, water lily extracts, and enriched with LXB complex. This Lord & Berry lip liner will soften your lips from first application. Round barrel pencil is completely waterproof and highly blendable to give a more natural lip lining look. Retail value, £15.
Wow,
really? Glove, GLOV, moon pads. Minimize your makeup removal routine with the help of these moon pads, reusable and sustainable. The pads are made from microfibers that break down dirt and impurities to give a deep cleanse and and they exfoliate. Worth £7, 11.
0.11, you mean?
Yeah. Would that be like pence?
Maybe. £7, 11 pence.
And next up is the Mio skincare.
What?
It's called a boob tube.
It is?
Oh no. That's one of the options you could have got. So there was boob tube, skin tight, or shrink to fit. We got shrink to fit.
Oh, so it's a boob tube like you put on your boobs or no?
You can Google that later.
I'll Google it.
Worth £9.
£9.
Oh. Oh, you're very funny.
Yes.
Next up, we've got the Australian Body Care Tea Tree Oil Blemish Stick. Treat that spot fast with the help of the Australian Body Care Blemish Stick infused with 100% tea tree oil. So just say £10. It's 9.99.
Oh, well, I'm going to put 9.99.
Okay. The Joe Hansford Expert Color Care Everyday Shampoo and Conditioner.
Both together?
Both together.
All right.
7.20.
Okay.
I think that was everything. Yes. What is the retail value of my box, Jason?
£69 and 80 pence. Is pence even the right for cents? I don't know.
I think so. Okay. I'm not sure. I don't.
69.80 anyways, and then the conversion we have to figure it out, I guess.
If you double that, let's just say double it.
You want to ask Google what the conversion is?
Yes, why don't you ask Google?
Okay, Google. What is 69.8 British pounds in Canadian dollars?
£69 and 80 pence is approximately $118.69.
Oh, so it's not quite double, but yeah.
So $118, $119, let's round up. That is not bad. For 11, I think what was £11.70?
11, no, is that pounds or
yeah,
dollars?
That was pounds.
Okay, £11.70 then. Yeah.
That's just like under $20 though. That's not bad at all.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this was my first Lookfantastic box. I don't see a lot of videos of these on YouTube, so I'm not sure why. I don't know if it's a new box or not. Probably not. But yeah, I'm very impressed.
The stuff is nice.
Yeah, the stuff is nice. It's usable. I mean, there was no makeup. Oh, there's one makeup. A lip liner. But, you know, I like skincare, hair care. Anything that makes me pores shrink. Me pores.
Yep.
Yeah. So, here is everything we got.
And the magazine.
And and a little L magazine, which is nice.
Is there a name for a little magazine like that? Like a...
No, I don't know.
Like a petite or something?
It's L Petite. Petite L.
Okay.
Alright, so I think my favorites will probably be the moisturizing serum, the lip liner, the shampoo and conditioner, the spot stick. I don't love the smell of tea tree oil is all, but I'll get used to it. And then this shrink to fit. I mean, I'm a larger lady, but I have not been cursed with cellulite, which I'm very happy about. Just with regular old chubbiness. But I'm sure I can find somewhere on my body or your body, Jason, to use this on.
That's right.
Maybe on the back of my legs, or my butt.
That's where it would go, yeah. But I mean, like other places.
Well, people get cellulite everywhere.
I don't know.
Anyway, yeah. So I am impressed. Well, yeah, I'm impressed. I'm excited for more boxes. I haven't told my husband this, but I might have renewed my FabFitFun subscription too. So look forward to that one coming. We're going to open up all the boxes.
Was FabFitFun good? I can't remember.
I liked it.
Okay.
I liked it. But then
You should do that underwear one you got me.
Oh, yeah.
That'd be fun.
There's not a lot of subscriptions for men that I can find anyway that are reasonably priced.
I like it though. So.
But my husband Jason does get one a month, and it is
a t-shirt.
What is
socks,
what is the brand? I forget.
Man.
It starts with a B.
It does start with a B.
That's okay. So maybe we'll do that. No modeling though.
No modeling.
I don't want people to see that. That's for me. So yeah, for him, I get him a monthly subscription. It's a pair of socks, a really nice pair of boxer briefs out there.
Yeah, boxer briefs.
And like a really good quality t-shirt. Yeah. And they all...
The material is like the kind of sporty, stretchy kind of material.
Like very soft. And they all go together. Yeah. So yeah, it's a nice thing for him to... I get 12 times more, but you know, I'm worth it, right? I'm always worth it.
I mean, you have 12 times the stress, at least, that I have, I think.
Yes, I do.
Yeah, you handle the business.
Life. Handle the business of being us. Yeah. Anyway, I'd like to thank everyone for watching, as always. I hope you're all having a great day, a great week, a great year so far. I mean, it's just begun. And if you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing and watching some other videos that might show up here, I would very much appreciate it. And I hope you have a great night. Thank you.